Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp notification sound. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So if you have some problems with your WhatsApp notifications, all you need to do is to first of all open your WhatsApp application and then at the bottom right click on the settings icon. Here it is. Then in this list of options you need to find notifications. Here it is. And then you need to make sure you enabled all of these options. So if some option is disabled, you need to enable them. So then click on the sound option and then make sure you choose some of these default sounds or maybe classic sounds if you want. Then click on the save button at the top right. After that you need to go to your iPhone settings. So go to the main page. After that you need to scroll down and find notifications option here. Here it is. Then scroll down and find WhatsApp application. Here it is. And then you need to make sure you enabled allow notifications first of all. And then you need to make sure lock screen, notification center, banners, all these options are enabled. So then enable sounds, badges. And then the last thing you need to do is to go to the main page, then click on the general option, then iPhone storage, then you need to click on the WhatsApp application and then click on the offload app. So after offloading, all your cache will be automatically deleted. Then you need to click on the reinstall app, and after reinstallation the last version of this application will be downloaded and then some bugs will be fixed. So and that's all, and that's how to fix WhatsApp notification sound. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.